the manager of design, software design for all of our products here at PDX, and I have been working with teams over in Pune for 7 years since I started with the company.
So what kind of things do you get involved with our team in the design role that you are in?
I currently have a couple of my staff doing design over in Pune. They're leading sprint teams and doing new enhancements and defects. I'm responsible for reviewing all of the designs that come out, all of the solutions we provide, if they meet requirements or not, and if the design makes sense.
So given your world that we were just talking is so different, the pharmacy industry in US versus what our teams are perhaps used to seeing as pharmacy in India, what challenges or what seems to, how do you overcome that inherent difference in the industry in India versus US?
The group over there has actually been really great at just wanting to know and learn and absorb. So we work with them and explain to them our regulations, all of the complexities of pharmacy life here in the States. They have to compare it a little bit to what they can see over there, but they've done a great job of just kind of putting themselves in our shoes, listening, absorbing, and kind of learning, I guess.
Excellent. So how much rework you end up finding needing to do because the context of pharmacy is so different in India, so their understanding of requirements may be off perhaps, or more specifically on UX design. So tell us more about your experience, how efficient it is to work with a team sitting in India on such a different industry.
So as far as rework, they've been pretty effective. Of course, we have a review process in place, but as far as knowing what a user wants to do just in their normal actions, tabbing and clicking, moving through the process, the team's been pretty effective learning that and implementing that without much rework. Sometimes we run into where they just maybe didn't understand the requirement per a new state regulation and locked us into something that's not going to work for this state versus that. But we don't see a lot of rework there for those things. So they've been, very effective, even though the pharmacy industry is very different. I would say our rework is small. Sometimes it's just grammar, just we speak differently here, even though we're both speaking English. They've got that proper, we've got the American. So.
Overall feedback on your experience with Synerzip, anything that stands out to you in your work, 7 years of working with us? 7 years of working, hard workers, dedicated, passionate. They want to do the best, and they will do whatever it takes to provide the best. Well, thanks for sharing that feedback. Really appreciate it.